Okay, this is only the second time I've ever fished out of a kayak, so I've got to get used to this little boat. This is a lot smaller boat than I fished out of last time as well. It's not really made as much for fishing. It's kind of more of just a cruising, or I guess you could say some mild whitewater type stuff. So paddle around for a minute, see if I can get used to this boat. That's the first thing. And there's a little bit of current coming through here. And I got my buddy Chris here with me today. He's going to be kind of my guide today, and he's actually in the boat that I fished out of last time. And water here looks fairly clear, so we're gonna see what we can do today. My first rapid here. I got the camera on just in case I flip over right here. I'm a little nervous. Oh, I made it. Got him. First fish of the day, a redeye. It's a pretty little guy on a bitsy bug jig. See you, little buddy. Chris has got one, like another redeye. Got him. All right, ladies and gentlemen. There he is. Got him. And he is pretty. So it kind of looks like a redeye rockbass, a redeye smallmouth hybrid maybe.
I like it. It's pretty.
Yeah, that's a redeye.
It's a redeye.
Yeah, because he's got the spotted pattern on him. Man, he is pretty.
Yeah, I've been catching those.
Yeah, I'm not sure if y'all can see this, but there's like a little shelf in between these moss rocks, and the bottom here, it's like a little ravine almost, and that's where the fish have been sitting in this particular spot. I've caught 3 up in here and lost 1. And there's some eddy pools down here too. There he is. Got him. Oh, lost him. Dang, that was a quick release on that one. He spit it out. He got it. There he is. Yeah. Dang, that's a good one. That is a good one right there. That same little ridge. Man, he's pretty. Got bronze color on him. Oh man, number 8. Someone's got it. Oh. Yeah, he's got it. Got it. Oh, this guy's got the length on him. Man, this guy's got the length on him. Man, those patterns are awesome on him. All right, see you, buddy.
I don't know what it did, but boy, it didn't want to come undone.
There he is. Got it.
This reel may be doing for the day.
This is another one of those. Oh man, this is full of eggs. Man, this one's full of eggs. You got a stomach on him. Look at that stomach on him. You see out here, got some partiers. There've been people like this been behind us like all day today, or in front of us, and been letting them through, and then another one shows up behind us. But yeah, they're having a good old time out here today. It's a pretty day for it. Jeez, this is a good one. I did not have the camera on when I caught him either. This is a giant though. Good Lord, I gotta get a measurement on him. Wow, man, look at the length on him. He is freaking beautiful too. All right, got the working class 0 measuring board out on him. It's hard to keep it flat right here, but he's about 17, 16 and a half. All right, buddy, I'm fixing to let you go. Hold on. Hold on. You're fixing to go over. All right, buddy, see ya. Oh, wow, that was awesome. Wow. Dang it. Still, that's a nice one.
That's a nice little fight though.
Yeah.
Caught him right there.
I got him. Oh, come on. God. That was about a 4-pounder. There's another big one chasing him. There's an even bigger one chasing him. There's about a 4-pounder chasing him. Get him over here in the boat in case he flies off. I saw you take that one, buddy. I saw you take that one. I won't let you get away. Man, that's a pretty one right there. Put up a great fight too. All right, buddy. Off you go. Rapid. Oh man! Dang!
That's the first one you caught?
No. I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera, but this is like the most kayaks I've ever seen in one place. There's just been a constant flow of people. There's, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 17 in front of me right now that I can see in sight, and then there's one coming up behind me right now. Hey, we're getting close to the takeout, but it's been a great day. We probably caught in all, I would say close to 60, around 25 or 30 a piece. A lot of good redeyes and a handful of good smallmouth too, and a lot of fish stories to be told. Lost some big ones, missed some big ones, saw some I'd say 4 to 5 pound smallmouth and 4 to 5 pound spots. But the one thing that I'm going to remember the next time I come up here is kind of a common theme for the smallmouth was there was moss on the rocks that were kind of a reddish green, and there would be a shelf where it would drop off, and there would always be a lot of current and usually fairly shallow water, about a foot or two of water, and that's where a lot of the big smallmouth were sitting, in areas like that. And a lot of them were just cruising right out in the middle too, in about 6 inches of water. So I'm definitely stoked to have caught the ones that I caught today and had the day that I've had, and I'm looking forward to coming out here another day. Thanks for watching.